Hey guys, it's Lauren from It's the Kellys, and we are going to be doing another packing video for you today. If you're new here, I do packing videos for you. I travel often and pack well and want to help you do the same. So every Wednesday, I am packing for a trip that one of you guys will be going on. You can invite me to come with you too. And then on Saturdays, we do a lot of different luggage videos and luggage reviews. So if that sounds like something that you love, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. I have been to 88 countries and all 7 continents in a carry-on bag, so it's possible. So not only do these videos show you the clothes and accessories that you should be packing for this specific type of trip, but all of the other things that go into the bag as well. And we do it all in a carry-on bag of my choice, and then we will pack the personal item as well and send you on your way to your amazing bucket list destination. Today's video is going to be packing for the fall, and this has been a really requested trip. I've had requests for tons of different countries, but I'm just going to do it for fall in general. And what I'm going to do is show you guys what I would pack for fall in some sort of city type of trip, and then show you a couple of alternatives that you could put in your capsule wardrobe instead if you're doing something just a little bit more casual. Now, before we get started with the packing, I do want to say everything I'm packing today is what I would personally pack if I were going on this trip. All of the clothes are my own style and from my own wardrobe and may not be your style. So please take this video as inspiration and make your own capsule wardrobe and have fun with it. For reference, I am a size 2XL or a size 18 or 20 US. Now you guys, everything in this video is going to be good for any time frame that you need. If you're going to go for a week, it is perfect. If you're gonna go for 10 days, if you're gonna go for 2 weeks, it is great because PSA, you can rewear some items. I can wear this sweater quite a few times before having to wash it. I can wear a pair of jeans quite a few times before having to wash it. And then when it comes to items like socks or underwear or something like that, you can wash them in the sink, hang them to dry while you're out doing activities for the day. And by the time you come back to your hotel room, they are ready to go for the next day. And if you are on an extended trip, like 3 weeks or 6 weeks or 2 months or half of a year, that means you have time to do laundry. And do not forget that laundry exists. If you have an Airbnb with a washing machine, or even if you have time to go to a laundromat, or even if your hotel has laundry services, that doesn't mean you need to pack a huge suitcase. You can still pack everything that I'm packing today and do a little bit of laundry. All right, let's start by showing you all of the clothes and accessories that I will be packing on this trip that I'm going on. Today's capsule wardrobe is actually going to be 40 different outfits by having 8 different tops and 5 different bottoms. If you guys don't know, a capsule wardrobe is when all of your tops match all of your bottoms and therefore create a whole bunch of different outfits so that you have options when you get dressed every day. If you guys need help on how to create a capsule wardrobe, I do have that video, and it really takes you in depth as to how to choose a capsule wardrobe for your specific trip. So I'm going to go ahead and link that right up here and also down below in the description. Okay, so let's introduce you to the clothes. Then I'm going to show you all of the outfits that I have created with them, and then we will start to pack. This is going to be my heaviest sweater, which I will actually be wearing on the plane. I will also have this little mauve shirt underneath here while I am on the plane, because you're going to want layers on the plane anyway. This is my second heaviest sweater, and it packs up small. This is going to be key for any fall or winter or chilly weather trip. This sweater packs up huge versus this one is going to pack up a lot smaller and honestly keep you a little bit warmer. Next we have this, which is kind of like a more deeper v-neck, a little bit more dressy. It's either a really lightweight sweater or a really heavy long sleeve. This is my merino wool cardigan. Merino wool is an amazing fabric to have, whether it is a summer trip where it keeps you cooler or whether it's a chilly trip and it's going to keep you warmer. It's not going to count as one of the 8 items because you can't really wear this by itself. So this is going to be our bonus item. I also have this little more cotton material boat neck black 3/4 sleeve top. This is one of my favorite t-shirts ever to wear, especially during travel. A nice little bodysuit. And then I do have one nice dressy little tank top. These are a pair of wide leg pants in black, and these are going to be my plain pants. I always travel in these pants. If you ever run into me at the airport, chances are I'm wearing these pants. Whether it's a winter trip, whether it's a summer trip. These are just a nice little pair of skinny jeans. This is another pair of wide leg pants here that have a little bit more of a pattern. And then I have 2 skirts. Now skirts might not necessarily be your style, but I like to wear skirts personally, and I do think it's important to be able to show how to dress up on a trip if you need to. You know, if this is some sort of European cruise in the fall and you do want to dress up for dinner, or maybe you're in, you know, Paris or Prague and you're going to the opera for a night, or just going to a nice restaurant. You know, both of these can be really easily dressed up, but they also can be dressed down and a little bit more casual. There are 2 pairs of shoes I'm going to be bringing. These are my black Chelsea boots. These are my total staple in the fall. And before you think that they're uncomfortable, I promise you, they are the most comfortable shoes I've ever worn. I brought these to Paris with me in the spring and I wore them every single day, and this was literally the only pair of shoes that I brought with me. And when I go to Paris, I walk like 30,000 steps a day. So you're always gonna wanna wear your bulkiest boots or shoes on the plane. Now the second pair of shoes is going to be ultimately up to you. Because I packed a couple of other dressier items, I picked my Allbirds flats in black, and I love a good ballet flat. But then the thing about Allbirds is that these are waterproof, and I think that waterproof shoes are extremely important when you travel. Now let's get into accessories as well. I am a hat person. I am always a hat person. And also a hat is a really great way to keep you warm. So I'm going to have this little hat here because it just kind of goes with everything, and it's one of my favorite hats. And then I do have this nice little beret also. It just screams fall to me, and I love the colors, and both of these are going to pack very easily. If I'm going to be super truthful, this is the bag I'm always going to bring. These Marc Jacobs purses are the only purses I really ever travel with. I've traveled with a couple of other ones recently too, but I love this. I have it in 3 different colors, and the reason I hate to show it to you is because they don't make them anymore. I buy them all on Poshmark. They're called the Natasha bag. The inside is so spacious, but the most important part is that this flap right here actually has a zipper and opens up, so it has a hidden compartment. If you're worried about pickpocketers or anything like that, I put my passport and my wallet or anything else really important in this, and then I zip it up, and there's no way to really get inside. Now, of course, because this is a fall trip, we need to talk about outerwear. And so the one I'm going to show you that I would absolutely bring is my little raincoat in this cute little green color. You can always take outerwear on the plane and it's not going to count against you. A fall weather trip might not necessarily be this style. You might want to do more leggings and hiking boots and other coats and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and show you the 40 outfits that this capsule wardrobe can create. Roll the fashion tape. Okay, so like I said earlier in the video, of course there's going to be alternate different pieces of outerwear that you can wear instead. And then like I said, maybe you want to be a little bit more casual on this trip and just do, you know, some nice little long sleeves. Maybe you want to do a flannel. Maybe you want to swap out the skirts for some leggings. That's totally fine. Take this as inspiration and then make it your own style and make it what's appropriate for your trip. So what are we going to be packing in today? We are going to use the Quince 20-inch carry-on luggage. Then we are going to be using my favorite double-sided packing cube from Tripped Travel Gear, as well as one of their little compression ones too. And then we are going to use the base expandable backpack for our personal item. Okay, so all of these items are going to go in the bottom because that is what is bigger in this packing cube. And then these are going to go on the top, and I'll probably be able to fit these on the bottom as well. There you have it. All my outfits are in here and ready to pack. And this is going to take up only 1/4 of my whole suitcase. All right, it is time to pack. So let's open this up and put everything inside. This is the compression side, and this is where you're always going to put your packing cubes. So here is the packing cube with our entire capsule wardrobe. And then let's go ahead and put the purse, as well as this compression cube. And this one has a bathing suit, underwear, bra, and socks. And there's also a little bit of room left here if we needed it. Let's strap this in. As for this side, I am going to start with my hat, and this is my hat trick. I like to place it upside down and pack stuff around it. This is my hanging toiletries bag from Tripped Travel Gear. This has everything right here that I say is in it. I've done several videos of what's in my toiletries bag, so please watch those if you want to know what's in it. But I'm going to put that right here. I'm going to put those shoes down here. Then I have a flat iron if I want to curl or straighten my hair. I'm not a big umbrella packer. I used to always pack an umbrella and I never end up using it because I would rather just pack waterproof items, but we're gonna pack it for you guys. So we'll put that in there. You see how everything kind of forms around the hat, but then we need to pack stuff in the hat to be able to keep its shape. So we're gonna pack this other hat. We're gonna pack a scarf if it gets a little bit chillier. And then I have this pair of sunglasses. It's actually 2 of them in here, and we will put it right in here. And then everything is packed. This bag is not expandable. If on the way home I'm buying a lot of stuff, I can wear this on the plane and re-Tetris all of these items to be able to fit a ton more stuff if I went shopping. Now, of course, we would be bringing a personal item with us as well, and I don't really want to get into what's going to be in your personal item because your personal item, it's personal, guys. To me, anything in your personal item shouldn't be stuff that you couldn't fit in here. It should be stuff that you need easy access to on the plane, just in case they choose to gate check this, and of course, anything of value. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the base expandable backpack. This is kind of my go-to personal item these days. So in here I have a little plane bag. This is everything that I would put in my plane bag, and then this goes in the seat back pocket right in front of me so that anything I need on my long flight, I can just go ahead and grab it. This is my electronics bag from Tripped Travel Gear, and it is going to have all of your cords, all of your universal chargers, stuff like that in here. I also have my big over-the-ear headphones, but of course you could bring a smaller little pair of earbuds. And then I do have a water bottle, and then of course I would have my passport and my wallet and anything in the front pocket that I would need to easily grab. And of course we have our laptop in there as well. The personal item is not the important part of this video. The important part of this video is what to pack in here. And your personal item, it is all up to you for what you need. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you for your trip. I am really, really passionate about packing. To me, you just really need to think about your itinerary and the weather of where you are going, and then make a packing list. You guys, it's really important. That way you're not going to forget anything, you're not going to overpack, and you're just going to be prepared. Also, keep in mind that chances are if you forget something, you can buy it there. We do have packing lists on itsthekellys.com. If you sign up for our email list on that website, there are 3 packing lists that you can get. One is for a tropical trip, one is for a winter trip, and then one is blank that you can fill out yourself. And they are all editable. And when you click on all of the items, it does have little notes and or links. If there is a trip that you are heading on soon that you want me to make a video of, please comment down below and let me know, and I am happy to make a video for it. I will see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.